In the fast-paced world of restaurants and cafes, maintaining equipment is crucial for delivering top-notch service. But how can you streamline equipment maintenance and keep your restaurant running smoothly? This is where CMMS, a computerized maintenance management system, comes into play. CMMS allows you to schedule regular kitchen equipment inspections, ensuring potential issues are spotted early, reducing unexpected downtime. Also, the scheduled maintenance reminders keep your restaurant staff on track, ensuring critical tasks like cleaning and filter replacements are never missed, and extending the lifespan of your equipment. While managing the maintenance, CMMS saves detailed records of all your kitchen and floor equipment, including serial numbers, warranties, and service history, making asset tracking and management more efficient. CMMS also simplifies work order creation, allowing restaurant staff to describe issues in detail, making it easier for maintenance teams to understand and address problems. Assign tasks, set priorities, and track progress within the CMMS platform, ensuring that maintenance requests are handled promptly and efficiently. In a regulated industry like restaurants, CMMS can immensely help you to stay compliant by ensuring equipment is regularly inspected and maintained to meet safety and health requirements. Store safety protocols, manuals, and documentation against your equipment and work orders, ensuring staff have access to essential information for safe operation. Besides managing equipment and maintenance, a CMMS also allows you to efficiently manage your stocks and supplies, eliminating overstocking and shortages, while optimizing your budget planning. A well-maintained restaurant results in consistent food quality and service, leading to higher customer satisfaction and repeat business. You can also utilize CMMs to collect feedback from your customers and utilize AI tools to do customer sentiment analysis to serve your repeat customers better. Finally, CMMS gathers valuable data on equipment performance, maintenance history, repair costs, customer feedback, and ongoing operations, providing insights to make informed decisions and optimize maintenance strategies. In conclusion, CMMS is your secret ingredient for enhancing equipment maintenance in restaurants and cafes. It streamlines operations, ensures compliance, and boosts customer satisfaction. By investing in CMMS, you're investing in the future of the restaurant business. Contact us today and find out how DreamzCMMS restaurant maintenance software can help you dive into the future of the restaurant business.